and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to talk about Jira and Confluence default groups. As you might notice that first time you sign in to Jira and Confluence, you're going to have Atlassian generate a few default groups for you that you can manage different people and permissions. To have a look at all these groups, you just need to go into the administrator page of Jira or Confluence, and easily go to the directory tab there, and you can either invite new users from here, or you can manage groups from the group tab. The default groups are the ones that you see here: the user groups, guests, admins. Same goes for Jira. All the products are assigned to these groups already, so just keep in mind that once you invite someone, they will automatically have access to Confluence. Same goes for Jira, let's say. Make sure that you don't invite I don't know, random people to site admins. Just to keep in mind, they are managing all the products that you have enabled under your subscription. So the difference between site admins and Jira admins, let's say, or Confluence admins, is like the Confluence admins, they can only manage Confluence particular things like spaces, or like I don't know, move different things around, or like import different things, but they can't manage the actual Atlassian subscription or the site subscription. So they can't invite people, they can't manage permissions, security permissions. So yeah, that's the difference between them. So if you add someone to, let's say, Jira admin group, they're gonna be able to just manage Jira and to manage anything related with projects, workflows, fields, or I don't know, issue types and things like that, but they can't manage anything related with the subscription or the backend or of the actual site. When I say backend, I mean, like, if you go to the security tab, you see you have lots of features here and lots of settings that you can modify, or you can't even, as a Jira admin, you can't view the billing space here. You can't go to I don't know, if you want to get an invoice or anything like that. Yeah, those are the default groups. If you wanna see more details about each group, you can just click on the show details here, and it gives you a brief description of what the group does. Grants access to Confluence. Yeah, there are no members currently. Also, if you go to users, you can easily invite, like I said, you can invite users from here, or you can even suspend access to different users. You can restore access to different users, or assign different products. So let's say that you go to one account here, and then you notice that it doesn't have access to Jira or to a Confluence, or just one of them, not the others. So you can easily do it from here, from the drop down, and then you can tick or untick the boxes, and you just need to hit save. Yeah, that's I think that's everything I have on different groups. If you want to create more groups, you can easily do it from the create group button here. Furthermore, once you created a group and then you added the users to the group, you can assign that group to have different permissions. Let's say that you want to assign the group to be able to create new workflows and to manage a particular project. You can just assign that group to do that, and they won't have access to anything else, let's say. So yeah, I mean, it depends. It depends what you want to do. It depends what suits your needs, and depends on the requirements. Okay, that's everything I have. I hope this video was helpful, and I look forward to seeing the next one. All the best.